Girl whose pussy is so good, if you threw it up in the air, it would turn into sunshine.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Scar,
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
check the scar if you want proof.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Check the scar if you want proof.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Yeah, you wanna see it?
Organ grinder.
She the sort of dime would have took the time to wine dine, even 69. Her take her on exotic boat rides and get her minks made of real fur, not a goat hide, no lie. Peter loved that girl, a Goldilocks and a baby D. He dug those curls with the strawberry swirls, asked her to be his pearl, said she had a man that beat her, a cowboy named Earl. A real goof, used to act uncouth, once he slugged her in the mug and took a chip out of tooth. Left her with a bloody eye, so Peter went there with a 12 gauge and Earl had to die. She smiled. Pete asked for a kiss from her, didn't give that good a gummas, but he had to have the Hummer. Something about the way she played his pipe organ had him floating on the clouds of love, feeling like Jordan. A veggie-headed chick who'd rather spit it in a tissue, and that shit don't really bother Pete, it really ain't the issue. It was all about how she made him feel, a real vegan chick that don't eat veal, and that's cool. Neither do Pete. He a sucker for ass. She a nice piece of meat, not a trash talking trollop, only dipped by the dollop. She told him called her Benita, but not the name in her wallet. Holding his dick with a gargle and spit, the chip to a scrape snag and let the rip in his prick. He got sick to his stomach as soon as he felt that he knew his schmuck was cut up. He was left with a helmet job.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Check the scar if you want proof.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Check the scar if you want proof.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
Check the scar if you want proof.
Organ grinder, cocksucker with a chipped tooth, tooth.
And Peter went nuts and he grabbed her by the throat and he squeezed it so tight that her windpipe broke. And with the last bit of life that bitch had left, she said,
I love you.
the very last breath. And Peter stepped back and never in fact had he heard another person tell him words like that. He said, what have I done? I love you, hold on. But she didn't even hear him, she was already gone.
I turned my head for a split second, and all I seen was her grab it. I dove for her neck, and I grabbed it as tight as I could. That's all I remember. I blacked out. 3 weeks later, I heard they found her in a dumpster.
Cocksucker with a chip